Imagine walking into a beautiful, secluded mansion buried deep in the woods, where snow traps you inside, cell service vanishes, and the house itself seems to be hiding something dark. You came for a dream home, but instead, you've stumbled into a nightmare. This is Never Lie by Freida McFadden, a chilling psychological thriller that will keep you second-guessing everything until the very last page. Welcome back, thriller lovers. Today, we're diving into Never Lie, a gripping, mind-twisting story from the queen of domestic suspense herself, Freida McFadden. If you love locked room mysteries, dark secrets, and shocking endings, this story will have you glued from start to finish. Let's unravel this eerie tale without giving too much away. The story follows newlyweds Trisha and Ethan, a couple searching for their perfect home, when their real estate agent shows them an enormous, isolated mansion once owned by a famous psychiatrist, Dr. Adrienne Hale. It seems too good to be true. The price is suspiciously low, but before they can ask why, a blizzard traps them inside. No phone signal, no way out, just endless snow and an unsettling silence that fills every room. As they explore, they discover that the house hasn't been truly abandoned. It's filled with the personal belongings of Dr. Hale, who mysteriously vanished 3 years ago. Her notebooks, her recordings, her secrets, all left behind. And as Trisha listens to those old therapy tapes, she begins to uncover something truly horrifying. Each recording peels back another layer of Dr. Hale's mind and the disturbing lives of her patients. But what starts as curiosity quickly turns to dread when Trisha realizes that one of those patients might not have been just a name on a file. The stories sound too real, too close to home. And while the storm rages outside, inside the mansion, Trisha begins to suspect that she isn't alone. Strange noises echo through the halls. Things move when no one's there. And Ethan, her loving, dependable husband, starts acting differently, secretive, controlling. As tension mounts and paranoia sets in, Trisha can't tell whether she's uncovering the truth or losing her mind entirely. Freida McFadden masterfully weaves a web of deception where every clue leads to another shocking revelation. As the story unfolds, past and present collide in a way that will leave you speechless. What really happened to Dr. Adrienne Hale? Why was the house left untouched? And what dark secrets is Ethan hiding? Every page builds toward a jaw-dropping twist, one that completely flips everything you thought you knew. It's the kind of ending that makes you want to restart the whole book just to see the hidden clues you missed the first time. If you're ready for a heart-pounding ride filled with deception, secrets, and mind-bending twists, Never Lie by Freida McFadden is the perfect thriller to lose yourself in. It's haunting, addictive, and impossible to put down. So grab your headphones, turn off the lights, and get ready for a story that will make you question every word, every glance, every lie. Listen to the full audiobook of Never Lie today. You won't believe how it ends.